How do I update my iPad 2 to iOS 10?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing how to update your iPad 2 to iOS 10. This process is easy to follow and can enhance your device's functionality with new features and improved security.
Why can I see iOS 10 in my updates?
Firstly, you might be wondering why you can't see iOS 10 in your device's updates. That's because Apple no longer supports the iPad 2 beyond iOS 9.3.5. Unfortunately, you cannot directly update your iPad 2 to iOS 10 through official channels.
Can I still get iOS 10 on my iPad 2?
The short answer is, it's complicated. There are some unofficial methods, like jailbreaking, that can allow you to install newer versions of iOS on unsupported devices. However, these methods come with risks, including potential security vulnerabilities, instability, and even the possibility of bricking your device, making it unusable.
What are my options then?
Since updating to iOS 10 is not officially supported and can be risky, you might consider a few alternatives. 1. Continue using iOS 9.3.5. While it lacks the features of the latest iOS versions, it still works for many tasks. Plus, your device is optimized for this version, meaning you'll probably experience fewer bugs and faster operation than if you force an update. 2. Upgrade your device. If you want the latest iOS features, consider upgrading to a newer iPad model that supports them. This might be a significant expense, but it's the best way to enjoy the full capabilities of the latest iOS versions. While it's not possible to safely update your iPad 2 to iOS 10, you still have options. You can either continue using iOS 9.3.5 or upgrade to a newer device. Always remember to consider the risks and benefits before making a decision about your device. We hope you found this video informative and helpful.